Now, on Apple iPhone, there's a feature called adaptive power. What this means is, if your phone gets too hot, its performance will be adjusted accordingly, and the temperature will be reduced. But sometimes, when this feature is activated, you won't get a notification. So, you won't know whether this feature is enabled or not. So, if you want to enable notifications for that, you can do it. In this video, we'll show you how to enable adaptive power notifications on your Apple iPhone. For this, open Settings. When you open Settings, you'll see an option called Battery. Tap on Battery, and when you scroll down, you'll see an option called Power Mode. Tap on Power Mode. When you tap on it, you'll see the adaptive power option. It will be turned on, and below that, you'll see adaptive power notifications. If it's turned off, just turn it on. After this, you'll start getting adaptive power notifications, so you can know when the feature is activated. This is how you can easily enable adaptive power notifications on your Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.